Numerical on shape function for LSR element. So learning objective of this session, that is we will solve a numerical on shape function for LSR element. LSR, that is a linear strain rectangular element in FEA. So LSR element having 4 node, node 1, node 2, node 3 and node 4, and respective shape function, that is n1, n2, n3, n4, and we can write in terms of natural coordinate psi and eta, that is n1 represent in terms of natural coordinate psi and eta, that is 1 by 4 in bracket 1 minus psi and 1 minus eta. Similarly for n2, 1 plus psi and 1 minus eta. Shape function for node 3, that is n3, 1 plus psi and 1 plus eta, and for n4, 1 minus psi and 1 plus eta. This can be remembered by using coordinate 1, 2, 3, 4, minus, that is 1 minus psi, 1 minus eta. Second coordinate plus 1, minus 1, that is 1 plus psi, 1 minus eta. Third plus 1 plus 1, so 1 plus psi, 1 plus eta, and last fourth coordinate, that is minus 1 plus 1, that is 1 minus psi, 1 plus eta. We will take one numerical which is asked in Pune University, May 2018. According to problem statement, the isometric quadrilateral element, that is LSR, we can say linear strain rectangular element or isoparametric quadrilateral element. Okay, as shown in figure, determine the local coordinate of point Q having Cartesian 7 and 4. So Q having two coordinates in terms of x and y, and in second, that is in terms of psi and eta. Okay, so according to given problem, element type, that is LSR, having 4 points, point 1, 2, 3, 4 and their respective coordinates, 3, 1, that is x1, 3, y1, 1. For second coordinate, 6, 1, x2, 6, y2, 1. Third, 8 and 6, that is x3, 8, y3, 6, and fourth coordinate 2, 5, that is x4, 2 and y4, 5. And our main objective to calculate coordinate of Q having x equal to 7 and y equal to 4. So we need to calculate the y in terms of psi and eta. So first step, first calculate shape function of respective points. So calculate n1, n2, n3 and n4, and that relation we have given in terms of psi and eta. So these are respective 4 equation. Then local coordinate of point P. Okay, you just reshuffle this point Q according to problem Q, and in answer write P. So one and the same. So local coordinate of point P, that is, or we can say Q. So x in terms of shape function n1 x1 plus n2 x2 plus n3 x3 plus n4 x4. Similarly for y in terms of shape function y equal to, means this x and y for point P. So y equal to n1 y1 plus n2 y2 plus n3 y3 plus n4 y4. Just put respect to x and y value in this equation. So after putting x and y, we will get next equation, that is 7 is equal to and 4 equal to. Then simplify these equations and calculate value of psi and eta. After simplifying, we will get value of eta equal to 0.2105 and value of eta equal to 4.3 0.912. So lastly we'll get P, that is Q, in terms of psi and eta, 0.912 and 0.2105. So in this way we can calculate respective coordinates of a given coordinate in terms of natural or local coordinate. So what we have learned from this session means how to solve numerical for shape function for LSR element. Thank you.